Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Time Reviews, where we take a closer look at the latest and greatest in technology. Are you looking for a pair of wireless earbuds that won't break the bank? Look no further than the Skullcandy Jib True 2 wireless Bluetooth earbuds. With a price point under $30, these earbuds offer an impressive array of features that make them a great choice for on-the-go listening. In this review, we'll take a closer look at the Skullcandy Jib True 2 earbuds and see how they stack up against other budget-friendly options. The Skullcandy Jib True 2 wireless earbuds are compact and stylish, with a charging case that pairs easily with your phone. They're lightweight and comfortable to wear, with a secure fit that's perfect for on-the-go listening. However, finding the right earbud size may be a challenge as the included sizes don't fit everyone perfectly. With up to 6 hours of listening time on a single charge, the Skullcandy Jib True 2 earbuds have a long battery life that's perfect for on-the-go listening. The charging case provides up to 16 hours of additional listening time, making it an excellent option for travel. The Skullcandy Jib True 2 earbuds deliver clear and balanced audio, though the bass may be lacking for some users. While the audio is good enough for casual listening, it may not meet the expectations of those who are more particular about their sound quality. The built-in microphone is a great feature that lets you take phone calls without having to take the earbuds out of your ears. However, the audio quality of the microphone is not as clear as it could be. Connectivity. The earbuds occasionally lost connection with the phone, which can be frustrating. Despite this, the Skullcandy Jib True 2 wireless earbuds are an excellent choice for anyone looking for affordable wireless earbuds. These earbuds offer a comfortable and secure fit, with 3 different ear gel sizes to choose from. The battery life is impressive, with up to 6 hours of playtime and an additional 16 hours of battery life from the charging case. Plus, the earbuds are sweat and water resistant, making them perfect for workouts and outdoor activities. Looking to purchase the Skullcandy Jib True 2 wireless earbuds? Check out the link in the video description below. By using this link, you'll not only get a great deal on the earbuds, but you'll also be supporting this channel and helping us continue to bring you informative tech reviews. And if you enjoyed this review, we'd love for you to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. This way, you'll be among the first to know about all of our latest tech reviews, unboxings, and product comparisons. By subscribing, you'll also have the opportunity to join in on the conversation in the comments section. We love hearing from our viewers and answering any questions you may have about the products we review. So, don't be shy, hit that subscribe button and let's stay connected. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.